Oh my gosh, I got hacked for 4 Ethereum. Yes, my NFTs were stolen off of OpenSea due to an exploited smart contract. I actually thought I was selling my NFTs, but in fact I was giving them away for free. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent making the same mistake that I did when dealing with OpenSea, and how to go ahead and revoke permissions from OpenSea, as well as Uniswap and other decentralized applications, to make sure that you guys don't get gypped like I did. As usual, if you like this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell below. It will really help make this channel grow, and I really appreciate it, guys. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Today's tutorial, we're going to use revoke.cash. Now, the reason I use this website is because it is highly trusted. I've used a couple other websites, but it's a little bit confusing as to how to revoke the permissions, and it's not quite as straightforward, I believe, as revoke. And it also has some nice filters here, so you can actually revoke things in case you decide to revoke something that you have a zero balance for, and you can check unlimited smart contract openings for different tokens as well as NFTs. So let's go ahead and log in. Press connect wallet. Go to Metamask here. Today I'm going to do NFTs because I don't really have a whole lot of stuff on my Metamask right now. I don't have a lot of tokens. So I'm going to go to NFTs. And you can see here I actually got some of these game disease NFTs stolen on OpenSea. And that's because the OpenSea actually has an unlimited allowance set. And all I had to do was sign the transaction to give it away. And someone created an NFT and it had some sort of smart contract that I interacted with, and it basically just gave my NFT away when I interacted with it. And this was actually on the OpenSea website. I also checked the address very carefully every time, so I know that it was actually OpenSea, and it was just a bugged smart contract that was actually on OpenSea itself. So you can see here I'm going to go to game disease, and I still have 3 left. I'm going to go ahead and revoke that, and it will pop up here in my MetaMask. And from there, today's gas fee is really cheap, which is why I decided to do the video. Just go ahead and press confirm. Now, once you go ahead and revoke this OpenSea allowance, you are safe. Your NFTs are safe. It'll be really hard for any hacker to go ahead and exploit the smart contract on OpenSea. Anyways, I hope that helped you guys out, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Later, guys.